color's mine. These are just too thick. It's been a while since I worked on the kitchen. Our son Leo is almost 3 months old now, and so it's been a little bit easier to do other things. And so the one thing that I want to get done now is the installation of the backsplash. I will say that I'm completely blown out by the fact that the installation of the backsplash made a huge difference to the overall look of the kitchen. So I'm really excited to show you the results. All right, so this weekend we're gonna work on this backsplash. Initially, we wanted to use a single slab of countertop, similar to the one we have on the island, but cost of that single piece almost doubled the price of our countertops. And that's because that one piece would require to buy a whole new slab, and that was just not going to work. So we opted to using large formatted tiles, and as you can see, they look just like standard marble countertops, but at a fraction of the cost. This was my first time cutting tile of any kind, and the only tool that I had available to cut them was a grinder. The blade that I used was a diamond blade, and I used a straight edge, a piece of wood, to help me keep the edge straight. I'm not sure if it was avoidable, but I ended up with all these chips, and the solution that I came up with to reduce the appearance of those chips was to grind the edge in a angle, like a 45-degree angle, and to my eyes, it made it look a lot less noticeable. Alright, so today I'm installing the tile. Yesterday I managed to cut all the pieces, so hopefully it all fits properly and it'll be an easy installation. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna check to see if the fitting for the faucet or for the pop filter works. This checks out. Now I'm going to dry fit the tile. Oh, that's perfect. piece down. Last piece. It'll take forever. Alright, I just wiped it out with the sponge. Remove all the excess grout. Mortar. And I think I need to wait to let it dry. I think 24 hours. Oh yeah, I gotta change the angle of the connection for the gas line, and I'm gonna add a shelf on top. So I think I can do that now. So I'm gonna do that, or at least try to do that, and then we'll be officially done, I think. We'll see. Leak check complete. Looks good. Apparently the memory card ran out, and so I didn't record the next steps. Simply put, I just installed the shelf using the screws on the side of the board, and using liquid nail right on top of the tile just to secure it. And like I said, it's pretty firm. I don't see any deflection, no movement, so I think it's gonna be fine. Like I said, it's gonna be pretty light stuff that's gonna go on top of it, so shouldn't be a problem. The next thing that I did was to caulk all the edges, as you can see, and I added the plate covers to the switches, and everything was good. So the next step that I have to do is install the pot filler. So I shut the water line, and I'm getting ready to remove this and drill some holes for the pot filler. So let's get to it. if I can make it work. Tell if it's going in or not. We're going to. Let's try it out. I'm gonna put a pot in them here just in case. So let me go turn on the water and see if there's any leaks. Hopefully not. Want to be done. Now let's check it out. I think you're supposed to open that one first, but I just wanted to check. Okay, this is closed. Oh, never mind, it's open. All right, I don't hear any leaks. The water comes out. I think we're done. You want to try the puff filler? What do you think?